Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make my really favorite breakfast. So the ingredients you need is atta dough, eggs, bell peppers. So first you have to heat up your pan, then put some oil, heat it up a little bit, then pour in your bell pepper pieces and cook them at low flame for 3 to 5 minutes. Then sprinkle some salt and pepper to give it some taste and cook it. It's nice if you have green bell peppers, but we don't have it today. While it's cooking, you can prepare your egg. Then crack your eggs. Here goes the first egg. And the next egg. Then add some salt and pepper. Then mix it with a fork. Now it's ready. The bell pepper is ready. You first put the bell pepper in your egg. Once it's in there, you have to mix it in the egg.
That's more easy.
Then set aside your egg. Then we prepare this newspaper so it doesn't make a mess everywhere. When you're making chapati, you need to have some atta flour for your chapati. Then make it into a little flat bread. Then dip it, roll it again.
See,
What happened? Now once it's ready, put it in. Just dump it. It's funny when you just dump it angrily. If you want to make two, you can just do the same steps.
flip it up.
When you see it's a bit cooked, you can flip it up with your finger. Then prepare your other chapati if you're making two.
You must eat this one while still warm.
Because it has a delicious taste
Yeah.
when it's warm. It will be like
Hard.
very hard. It's difficult to chew it if it's cool. It's getting ready. It will get puffy. Really puffy. Then take a cloth
Must have the cloth like this.
so you can just like puff it. Make it bouncy puffy so that you don't burn yourself. Boom. And then bubbles will start to rise. It's a big fluffy pillow.
There.
Wow,
This one's
super
perfect.
fluff.
Not really perfect, but
This is a
Good.
pillow. It's a pillow chapati. Good for sleeping. And the air will come out eventually.
oopsie.
It's kind of toasty in here because it's...
Okay.
Okay, ready. Then put in a plate. Then if you have a second one, this is kind of fun. Then put in your pan. and let it heat up. Then flip it up. And now it's a bit puffy. Then make it more puffy.
With this kind of bread, you can make many things with this for breakfast.
Potatoes,
Potatoes, cauliflower, what else?
eggs,
Salty,
egg,
ajwain,
of course egg.
egg. It's Angel's favorite. And it's very nice. Much more healthy than white bread.
Because white bread has preservatives.
Yeah, this one will have.
It's just plain atta.
It's a bit crunchy.
And
Then
look,
it's ready.
here's the pillow. Pillow in the pan.
Ready.
So you have to put it in a cloth so it won't.
Not get cold fast.
It will just keep the warm inside. Now back to the pan. Then we have to cook the egg, which is my favorite part of this recipe. So first you add some oil to the
Just
pan.
little bit oil.
Because this is non-stick pan.
It's a bit
Crumbly.
too much.
So if it's too much, you can pour it back. Then pour your egg. Oh, look at that. Don't put too much at once or it will get very stuffy. It looks bubbly on the sides, which is very cute. Ooh. Then wait for it to cook. Then flip. And here, this is how to flip.
Good luck. There you go. Yummy, yummy.
Yummy. That looks so good. Okay, it's ready. Then put in your plate. And just do the same steps with the leftover egg. Now it's ready. The egg's ready. The chapati's ready. Roll it up.
You can put some ketchup on it.
And it's ready.
Yay!
Normally I will just take half bites. Thank you for watching. Please,
And you have to do the same the other one. Yes.
please subscribe, like, press the notification button, all.